Hi, in this video I am going to show you 40 designs from that I have created in 2019 and 20. So if you have already watched my previous video in which I have shown you the designs which I had created in 2017 and 18 when I have started my career as a graphic designer. So here in this video you can easily relate the design's quality and improvement and creativity, how it got improved after 2 year experience and practice in graphic design industry. So let's get started and enjoy this video. So these are all the designs which I have created in 2019 and 20. So hope you have find some improvement and difference of quality and learn something. So in next video I am going to show you the designs that I have created in 2021 and 22. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so I will recommend keep it subscribed so that you can get notification when I will upload next video. So thank you so much for watching this video.